Alright, hi everyone. We have here the Jisulife Life5 Plus, a handheld mini fan. Jisulife has become very popular here in the Philippines these past months since, as you know, Philippines is a very humid place. Jisulife is like the Starbucks of coffee here in the Philippines now. This mini fan model, the Life5, has 3 colors available: brown, white, and green. It has a big 4000 mAh battery with 5-speed turbo air duct, and Jisulife boasts for only a 40 decibel noise level here. Okay, we have here a very nice stretchy strap for the fan. It also comes with the same color as the fan, as I have a brown color here. But this looks like a dark beige to me. Here's the mini fan itself. And we also have the usual paperworks here, which comes in a multiple language. I got this for 719 Philippine pesos from Shopee, and you can find the product link in the description below. Let's put everything aside now and let's open the mini fan. The Life5 Plus weighs at 7.8 ounces and its material are purely plastic. We have the button control at the front, and we have the USB Type-C charging port at the back along with the LED charging indicator. At the bottom we have the holes for the strap. The Life5 Plus is constructed from high-quality, durable materials, including sturdy plastic for the main body, ensuring it can withstand regular use and minor impacts. The blades are made of flexible yet durable materials that can endure regular use without easily breaking or deforming. Aside from the fan, there's no moving parts here, which makes it more sturdy and it feels solid in the hand. Overall for the build, the Life5 Plus build is ergonomic enough and its construction is good. Controls of the Life5 is very straightforward. It only has one button, so that's the only thing you can press. From off, press in once to turn on at speed number 1. Press this again for speed number 2. Press it again to increase the speed to number 3, and so on up to number 5. From speed number 5, press it once to turn it off. That's basically it for the control. Very simple and straightforward. As for the noise level, it is acceptable and will not bother anyone if you are using it outside, but will probably get attention when using it on a cinema or while attending a holy mass. Here is the actual sound of the fan so you can hear it for yourself. Jisulife claims that the operating hours of the Life5 Plus is 5 to 16 hours. I am assuming that the 5 hours is for speed number 5, while the 16 hours is for speed number 1. So I tested the Life5 Plus to run from fully charged battery on both speed 1 and 5 until it died. For speed 1 I got 18 hours, which is very impressive as it is 2 hours more for the 16 hours that Jisulife claims. Then for speed number 5, I got 4.5 hours, which is only half hour less than when Jisulife claims. Overall, I am very impressed with the battery life of the Life5 Plus. I am also glad to report that the charging time, which according to Jisulife will take 4 to 5 hours, is on point. From 0 to fully charged, it usually just takes 4 hours, plus or minus 15 minutes. This light here will be blinking while it is charging, and then it will be a solid light once fully charged. The same LED light will also rapidly blink when the battery is less than 10%, indicating that you need to recharge the unit. And a good thing here, I'm just not sure if it is also a good thing for the battery. While charging, you can still use the Life5 Plus. It will still work as normal. So if it is really hot and that Life5 Plus runs out of juice, you can just plug it into your power bank and use it again. For the fan speed, it is adequate and I'm happy about it. But as a responsible consumer, I think I should also let you know that I have also purchased another handheld mini fan from Orashare. The model is HF03. It also has a 4000 mAh battery, so the battery life is almost the same, maybe just around 30 minutes difference. And the Orashare is more compact, so it is lighter, it is cheaper by about 20 pesos, it is more portable, and most of all, it has an LED screen to indicate the fan speed and the charging percentage status. Then when I compare their fan speed, surprisingly, the Orashare is stronger. Maybe the only thing that will make the Jisulife on top here is the noise, as the Orashare is really noisy. Maybe 1.5 times noisier than Jisulife. For the durability, we will not know this until after one of them breaks first. But just a note, I bought the Orashare mini fan 1 month before the Jisulife. I bought 3 of them and they are all still working great up to now. So as of the making of this video, Orashare mini fans are pretty much durable as well. Alright, overall, I like the Jisulife Life5 Plus. It is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around in your bag or pocket. With a 4000 mAh battery, it offers a long-lasting usage with multiple speed settings, allowing you to adjust the airflow according to your needs. The fan is well built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity, and while it does produce some noise, it's generally considered to be quieter than the other mini fans in the market. It also comes with a high-grade lanyard wrist strap for easy carrying and accessibility. But as mentioned earlier, with the price of the Life5 Plus, there are other alternatives out there that can provide better features and stronger fan blowers like the Orashare HF03. Actually, when I did some browsing of the Jisulife products, the counterpart of the Orashare HF03 in Jisulife is already priced at more than 1,000 pesos, which is almost 400 pesos more expensive. Overall, the Jisulife Handheld Life5 Plus portable fan is a solid choice for personal cooling, especially when you're on the go, but I feel like 40% of the price I am paying for their products is just a price for their name. I'll leave it up to you if you think it's worth to pay that much percentage just for the name Jisulife. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. No bear.